Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing just slides in both ears. Dice rolling on.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel where I share easy and affordable beauty tutorials. Today I am doing a quick weave bob. So I want to share with you guys my technique to get a full but flat bob cut on yourself. So my hair is already molded down. If you need a tutorial on how to do that, I will have a video linked down below in my description box. So when it comes to a side part, I always lay the bang side first. So that's what I'm doing. When it comes to a bob, they can get really thick really quickly, and we don't want to give Dora when we go to cut it. So I like to space out those tracks a little bit far so that it's not too thick once I do the cut. So I laid about 3 tracks so far on my bang side, and then I'm moving over to the other side and I am laying those straight across. I don't have any curve in them. I want them to be straight across like I'm laying right here, and then we're going to the other side. Now my bundles are cut up, that's why I'm kind of like puzzle piecing them together. But if you don't have old used up bundles, of course you'll just move all the way over to the other side. So right now I'm just kind of filling it in because my bundles are cut up. But again, if you don't have cut up bundles, you would just go from side to side in a U shape. So just think that after you lay your bang tracks, all the hair should be going behind the bang tracks in a U from side to side. And if you do have cut up bundles, you're going to work like I am to make sure that everything is kind of seamless, and you're just going to piece it all together. But either way, everything should just be laying, kind of flat. So I do check and make sure as I'm going along laying my tracks that I don't have any bulginess, that my hair can go behind my ear seamlessly and comfortably. If I have any issues while I'm laying my tracks, I will know before I get to the end. So once I do finish laying all of my tracks, I'm checking now to make sure that I don't have any bald spots in the back, that I gave myself enough hair, that everything just looks good before I start to take my leave out and get to blending my hair. So for a bob, I always start off with a big chop just to get the length off, and then I'll start doing smaller sections to see how long I want the bob and to make sure that I kind of even the hair out with my real hair that is already left out. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just kind of seeing what length I want to go on the side with the bang. I was thinking of something kind of asymmetrical, so I was kind of cutting a lot here, seeing which length. Always start off with more length than you know that you initially want, so that you can just keep going shorter. But definitely go bit by bit, just a little bit more, just a little bit here, because once you cut off too much, you cannot go back. You'll have to commit to that length. So always start with longer hair than that you want. So once I got my length, I started kind of just cutting around, chopping the hair off to get closer to the length that I wanted. And then once everything is like that, that's when I'm going to start taking small sections and cutting the hair, evening it out with other sections to make sure that it looks right. So really all I did was take really small sections, even it out with a section that was already cut. And then once I've done that all around my head, I'm going to lean my head to the side, and then you'll see all the imperfections and how uneven it is, and you're going to just try to even it out. It's really easy to do this with clippers, but I didn't have any clippers, so I'm just using my scissors here. But you're going to turn your head to like every different angle and make sure that you are cutting evenly, and you'll definitely see it once you turn around, lift your head up, down, all around. You'll see how uneven it is. So after I've cut my hair and kind of evened it out the best that I can, and I feel like it is pretty even, I'll cut my hair inwards. So I'll point my scissors in a section inwards to make sure that I cut every single track. So you can kind of see how I'm doing it here, but instead of my scissors pointing out, it's pointing in toward my neck, so that I'm cutting a straight line into like each track. Hopefully that makes sense. But yeah, that's something that I have to do to get every layer even. Now for the fun part, my cut is finally done. It did take me a really long time to finish the cut, but anyways, I am the person that likes a little bump on my bobs, so that's what I'm doing here. I make sure that I don't do too much of a bump by using my comb, but I do kind of turn my flat irons inwards to give me that cute little quick bump on the side that you'll see there. But I did my edges with lace melt spray and a edge control. That has worked so well for me. And then, you know, I'm just kind of styling to get a cute style. You definitely want to work with layers, parting your hair, sectioning your hair off to make sure that you get each section of your head. If you have a smaller flat iron, it will definitely be easier for you, but I do not have a small flat iron, so I just had to take my absolute time on this hairstyle. But here it is, guys, the finished look. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Please let me know what you think down below and like the video if you like it, of course. Be sure to subscribe to my channel as well for more easy and affordable beauty tutorials.
Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spend